Just to give you an update on the apartments, we're going back up, guys. Footings have been poured, waiting on the plumber. The plumber's supposed to start next week on the 2 buildings that were burned. We're going to move back forward. We're going to build them back fast. We're moving as quickly as we can because obviously some insurance issues that's going on as well as lenders and so forth. Everybody just stops. So anyway, long story short, we're building back. We're hoping to have more units than we started with. We started with 51. We're hoping to have more units than that when we're finished. So anyway, just don't let things knock the wind out of you. Don't let the wind get knocked out of your sail. Just keep going.